So good morning students. Today we will continue differentiation chapter. Okay. So let us start with the chain rule of a differentiation. So what is chain rule? We know that a function y equal to f of x. It is a function. Suppose consider in place of x we will consider another variable u. Y equal to f of u, where u is a function of x here. Where u is a function of x, I will consider this one as a g of x. Then derivative of this function, then derivative of this y function, that is dy by dx, can also be written as a dy by du into du by dx. So consider one example. What is y here and what is u? So suppose sine of x square plus 5. Sine of x square plus 5. As we know that if y equal to sine x, then differentiation of this function is dy by dx is equal to cos x. But here we have function y equal to, here we have y equal to sine of x square plus 5. So the solution of this example, that is if here given y equal to sine of x square plus 5. I will consider this one as y equal to sine u, where here I have taken u equal to x square plus 5. Then we have to find the differentiation of this one as well as the differentiation of this one. Here our variable is u, that's why we have to differentiate with respect to u. Okay, that is dy by du is equal to, we know that cos dy by dx is cos x, then dy by du is cos u. Here our function is u. What is u here? So this implies dy by du is equal to cos of x square plus 5. Again we have to differentiate this one also. Okay, with respect to x, because our variable is u and x, that is differentiation of this one is du by dx is equal to x square, differentiation is 2x plus 5 is constant, so constant value is 0, constant differentiation is 0. So this equal to du by dx is equal to 2x. So therefore as we know it by the chain rule, definition dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Here we have dy by du value and du by dx value. Substitute here, we get the solution of a given function y equal to sine of x square plus 5. So dy by dx is equal to dy by du. By equation number 1 we have cos of x square plus 5 and du by dx value we have, that is 2x. So therefore solution is 2x into cos of x square plus 5. This is our solution, that is dy by dx. Here the derivative of y, the derivative of sine of x square plus 5 is 2x into cos of x square plus 5. So note it down. Okay. Formula for chain. As we know that first formula, general formula, that is if y is equal to x to the power n, then derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. When y and x are two variables. If suppose in place of x another function, that is u, where u is a function of x. Okay. So for that time consider first formula y equal to u to the power n, or else first write down. See here. So if y is equal to f of u and u is a function of x, then First, y equal to u to the power n. It is a function. Okay. Then derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1. N into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx. Okay. Second one, y equal to sin u, where u is a function of x. So the derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to cos u. As we know that sin differentiation cos. So cos u into du by dx. Okay. So third formula, if y is equal to cos u, the derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to minus sin u into du by dx. Every time you have to multiply du by dx derivative. Okay. Fourth one, if y equal to tan u is not tanu. Okay, it is a tan u. So the derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to tan differentiation. Derivative of tan u is secant square u into du by dx. Fifth one, y is equal to cot u. Then derivative of this function, here c is there. Okay, as I told you, all c's are negative, so therefore minus cot differentiation, that is cosec square u into du by dx. Similarly, sixth one, if y equal to sec u, then derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to sec u and tan u into du by dx. Next, one more derivative of the function, trigonometric function, last one, that is cosec. So if y equal to cosec u starts from c, so therefore derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to minus cosec u into cot u into du by dx. So these are the important formulas. Okay, note it down. So consider some examples. Okay, if suppose y equal to, if y equal to 2x square plus 5 whole to the power 4, find derivative of this function. Find the derivative. Okay, solution. Given here y equal to 2x square plus 5 whole square, sorry, whole to the power 4 here. So now compare this equation with this function. We have y equal to u to the power n, that is derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx. Okay, comparing these two equations, y equal to u to the power n, y equal to 2x square plus 5 whole to the power 4. Comparing these two, we have u equal to 2x square plus 5 and n equal to 4. So this implies y equal to 2x square plus 5 whole to the power 4 is equal to, this implies derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to, here n we have 4, u we have 2x square plus 5, n minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is 3, into d by dx of what is u here? We have 2x square plus 5. This is our u function. Okay, so 2x square plus 5. So this implies 4 into 2x square plus 5 whole cube. First product is as it is. Now we have to differentiate this function. So 2x square differentiation is 2 into 2 4, x 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is 2x square differentiation is 4x plus constant of function is 0. So constant function of differentiation is 0. 4x plus 0. So therefore we have 4 into 4x 2x square plus 5 whole cube. So this implies, we have 4 into 4 16. So 16x into 2x square plus 5 whole cube. This is our solution, dy by dx. Note it down. So consider next example. Find the derivative. Find the derivative of the following. So consider y equal to sine of x square plus 5. So solution. Here given y equal to sine of x square plus 5. We know that if y is equal to sine u, then derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to cos u into du by dx. Okay. In place of we have comparing these two equations, y equal to sine of x square plus 5, y equal to sine u. In place of u, we have x square plus 5. So this implies then dy by dx is equal to sine u, that is cos u. Sine differentiation is a cos u, that is a cos x square plus 5 into d by dx of x square plus 5, because in place of u we have x square plus 5. Okay, this equal to cos of x square plus 5 into differentiation of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x plus constant is 0. So this implies 2x into cos of x square plus 5, that is d by dx of sine x square plus 5 is 2x into cos of x square plus 5. Write it down. So consider next example. Y equal to sine of x square. So again, in place of u we have x square. The derivative of this function is, that is dy by dx is equal to cos x square into d by dx of x square. So after simplifying, we get dy by dx is equal to cos x square into x square differentiation is 2x, that is 2x into cos of x square is the solution. What about next example? Consider if y is equal to cos x square. If y equal to cos x square, find the derivative of this function. So solution, here given is y equal to cos x square, and we know that if y is equal to cos u, then derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to minus sin u into du by dx. Okay, so this implies in place of u we have x square. Comparing y equal to cos u, y equal to cos square, cos x square. Okay, we have in place of u we have x square. So the derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to here minus, because here c cos, so negative term, so minus sine of x square, sine of x square into d by dx of x square. This is equal to minus sine x square into differentiation of x square is we know that it is 2x. So solution is minus 2x into sine x square. This is the derivative of d by dx of cos x square. This is the solution. Right now. So next example. Differentiate sine of ax plus b with respect to x. Find the derivative of a given function or differentiate some function with respect to x. Both are same. Okay. Here solution. Here given function is the sine of ax plus b. So consider given y is equal to sine of ax plus b, and we know that if y is equal to sine u, then dy by dx is equal to cos u into du by dx. Okay, this is a formula. So comparing these two, we have here in place of u we have ax plus b. So derivative of this function is dy by dx. Here we are differentiating with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to sine differentiation is we know that is cos. In place of u we have ax plus b into d by dx of ax plus b. So this is equal to cos of ax plus b, and differentiation here a and b are constants. Constants. Okay. Differentiation of ax is that is a, plus differentiation of constant is we know that is 0. So this is equal to a into cos of ax plus b. So this is the derivative of d by dx of sine of ax plus b. So this is the solution. Right now. So consider example. If y equal to sine of 2x plus 3. We have the formula sine of y equal to sine of ax plus b. Comparing these two, we have a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. A equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Then solution of this function is dy by dx is equal to sine differentiation is we know that cos, that is cos 2x plus 3 into d by dx of 2x plus 3. So this is equal to cos of 2x plus 3 into derivative of function 2x is 2 plus constant is 0. So this is equal to 2 into cos of 2x plus 3. This is the solution. Okay, note it down.